So we're getting on with all the preparations for the salon, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
Yeah, it's looking brilliant. So we've got the garlands up, got lights up, so it's getting to nice bits now, decorations and furniture and stuff. And one of the bits that we've got, we've pulled a chandelier out of storage, haven't we?
Yes, you have.
So we're replacing the
What
lovely...
was that?
Yeah.
To light this whole room, we've used that.
Yeah, that was our chandelier in the salon. So we're going to replace it with another one. Hopefully it'll be all right and it'll stay up there, won't pull the ceiling down. It's one of my smaller ones, so it should be.
And it's only this big, so...
Yeah. It still weighs a ton.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, I'm going to try and get that up now. It'll only be temporary. We have to like run a wire to it for now.
Yeah,
we've
wired a plug to it for now.
Yeah, because we haven't got any...
mains electrics in here.
No. And I've noticed one thing in here. There's no plugs at all.
And there's no light switches?
No, there's nothing.
No.
Strange.
Actually, but again, I think in all the other rooms have paneling, so it's all hid behind, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whereas in here, there's nothing.
No.
So that's going to be fun when we come to do that.
I know. Yeah, we'll get this up now. So, salon's coming along really well. Got all the garlands up, got the trees up, got the lights on them all. Now it's just the next stage of decorating it all. So, I've got all my boxes of decorations that I managed to dig out at the barn, luckily. They weren't really for trees this big back in the UK, but we'll see what we can get started with them, and hopefully they'll look alright by the end of it. So yeah, it'll be good, and then almost finished with this place.
Terry's now at the point where he's decorating the trees, and obviously he wants his beautiful holly, but Terry being Terry, he wants it gold. So right now he has me stood outside, just giving it a little flashing of gold, just to give it that sparkle. Doesn't it look pretty?
So after spending all day yesterday getting all the ribbon on the Christmas tree, late last night I decided to pull it all off because I absolutely hated it. So I just completely wasted a day putting it all on. Normally I do put the ribbon coming down, like on Mum's tree in the cottage, it just comes down in like little ribbons and it looks quite nice, and I normally do it at an angle, just so it draws your eye right the way down the tree. But with these trees just being so big, it didn't go. So pulled it all off, and I've decided just to sort of thread it through the branches, just so it just makes it look a bit different and a bit more traditional. And then I've added the beads on, just so it gives it a little bit more of a traditional feel. And then in between, obviously I've got ash to spray loads of holly. Put a bit of gold spray on that just so it adds to it a little bit more. And I've added a little bit of ivy as well. So we've just pinched all that from the forest. Just so it gives it more of a wild, natural feel. So it's looking good, it's getting there, so I just need to get the rest of the baubles on, and then whatever other little bits I come across. But yeah, I'm quite happy with it now. Like I said, it's okay. So I'm glad I took all the ribbon off instead of doing both of them like that and then having to start both of them again from scratch. So yeah, it's all good. I'll get the rest of these baubles on. So after getting the trees sorted yesterday, so it was getting quite late, and me and our mum started doing a couple of the decorations elsewhere. We wanted to create something nice in the hallway, so when we come in and people that are coming over for Christmas come in, it just makes it quite nice and special. Unfortunately, I can't get another chandelier out just yet, so I had the idea to try and create one. We had quite a lot of the micro LED light, which are lovely, and I normally use them on the Christmas tree, but obviously we've got other ones here now anyway, so these were spare. So all I've done is I've got a hula hoop, repurposed it, and the lights I've just draped over them. So I've got 2 sets around the outside and then one down the central part of it, just to create like a nice focal point in the stairway here. So hopefully it'll be nice when we turn it all on and tidy it up so it doesn't look like a hula hoop with fairy lights on it. But yeah, it'll be good. So now there's a bit more light and I can work again. I want to create a couple more garlands. So I want to do one on the banister going up the stairs here. I want to do them on the staircases either side of the turret. And then I need to try and dig my big reef out. I've got like a nice big reef that I'd like on the front of the chateau as well. So yeah, still loads more to do, but it's getting there. Hopefully by Christmas it'll all be sorted. Then we'll have to start taking it down. But yeah, it's all good. So like I said, we've got the lights up now, so I'll crack on with the handrail going up the staircase and get that sorted. On the 10th day of Christmas my chateau gave to me 10 miles of wire and 9 pipes are leaking, 8 spades for digging, 7 golden fires, 6 chandeliers, 5 crazy Brits, 4 French hens, 3 phase electrics, 2 French builders and a donkey that won't go to sleep. If you'd like to join us on our family journey, bringing back this once forgotten chateau, then please join us on Patreon. With behind the scenes footage, updates, live chat and your very own piece of the chateau.